Okay, so if you want to remove your battery, you're gonna have to remove the intake and then use a 10 millimeter wrench. 10 millimeter. You see it? So this plastic for the power, for the plus, it goes right there and it clips right there. Instead the other one, you're gonna have to remove this nut. I believe I'm gonna test it and then tell you. And just open this box. It's pretty nice. Instead, the intake here, manifold, the intake, I don't know how to call it, it's gonna go right there. See, it's just fitting perfectly. And then he's gonna clip those 2 points. It's pretty easy. It's nothing out of this world. Just make sure that when you put the plastic back, the rubber is still there and the plastic is not broken or anything, and it should be fine. See, this one you have to open, you have to unclip from there. See, the problem is always that with one hand everything is more difficult. See, you unclip from there and you just pull it out right there. Then you'll get your wrench 10 and you do the job. This battery died because the car was sitting there for too long, so I'm gonna try to recharge it and then see what happens. Right now it's very low, it's kind of 2 volts, so let's see what happens when I recharge it. I bought the recharger, the charging system from okay, this one is too long. I'm gonna have to get a regular wrench probably. Oh no, it's working. From Harbor Freight. They have one transformer, works pretty good. I already used it in the past. Let me see. See, this one is only coming out from there, yes. Yeah, don't remove the nut all the way because then you're gonna lose it. Just crank it up and then pull it out. It works really easy. See, right there. And then just leave it there. Twist it. Be careful not to destroy the cables, or you can leave it there and just pull out the battery. The battery is heavy, but just comes right over, probably. Let me double check and then I show you. No, so you have this clamp here that's holding it. And I don't know if there is also one in the back, I'm gonna double check. But this one for the front, this one is probably 12 millimeter. You have to remove it. Okay, yes, so as soon as you remove this, the battery is free. Just make sure you don't destroy that. It's heavy, but it's gonna come. That's what is gonna be left. So you see, this wedge is where you put the battery, and then you clamp it from here. I just put it back, not to lose it. That's 12 millimeter wrench size. That's it, pretty easy. Let's go try to charge it and see what happens. Okay, so this is the charger we bought from Harbor Freight 62813. So you just plug it in, and then it's written there what is gonna happen when you connect. Ooh, so now flashing red means bad connection battery. Of course, it's not connected yet. Okay, so now we're gonna connect it. Just always remember where is the plus and where is the minus. Plus, see, and that's written here. Plus, minus, and that's minus. Let's see now what happened. Should go solid. Okay, yeah. Solid. Charging. So let's see how long does it take. It's gonna take a while because this was really low. We'll see what happened. I'm gonna let you know later. But how do you know if you have to do this? It's only if your car has a vent tube and you're gonna connect the vent tube here and the plug over there. If not, you have to leave it like that. Do not do anything. Okay, so to know that, you have to get in the car and see if that car was, the battery had that system with the vent tube. You know, the vent tube is only gonna vent the battery in the bottom of the engine. In this case, for the Sonata, we didn't have it. So this one is not gonna go there. You're gonna leave this open, this side and that side. And that's it.